Here's a 360-degree view of the Rayquaza with a collectible box, an officially licensed Pokemon product from Jawswares. This 6-inch figure actually adjusts in 15 different points, and it also includes an adjustable base. This was put together by my son, Glenn, which is part of his collection. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.